So my name is Marnie Stutz. I am in the United States. I'm on the East Coast in North Carolina. As I retired, I've gone to work for my husband, who's a consultant with ABAP. And so I am now his dedicated programmer for the clients that he works with. I took 80 hours of this great programming class. But I kind of knew the programming. It was more the syntactical. Then I did another program and I learned about some high-level stuff, but it wasn't executable. I did have a couple conversations with Lod, just making sure I understood what it was about, because I didn't want to just sort of jump off the cliff again. The quality of the training is unique from what I have seen. I am appreciating it from a professional point of view, but I also feel like I have a new friend. And, you know, you can't beat that combination. Is a great model that I don't think anybody can compete. It's just great. It's the better use of your time, and it'll get you out the door and ready to go faster. No one's offering their one-on-one time. And to me, that is the differentiator. Nobody's even meeting with you, much less customizing it. If you're trying to get ready, 4 months, you're done. Or it's really 3 months, but I asked for 4.